The art of woodworking has a long and rich tradition, evolving over centuries as techniques and styles have changed and adapted. In contemporary times, there's a notable trend towards small furniture and decor pieces, which are often embraced as mini woodworking projects. This shift reflects a variety of factors, including the accessibility of woodworking, the desire for personalized home decor, and the benefits inherent in smaller projects. One of the most compelling reasons small furniture and decor projects have become popular in modern woodworking is the accessibility they offer to both seasoned artisans and novices alike. Larger furniture projects demand significant time, space, and advanced skills that can be intimidating for beginners. By starting with smaller scale items, individuals can gradually develop their skills and confidence without being overwhelmed. These mini projects allow aspiring woodworkers to hone their techniques, practice precision, and learn to appreciate the intricacies of working with wood while managing a more approachable scope of work. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas you can make as mini woodworking projects. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The accessibility of small woodworking projects also extends to the tools and materials required. Larger furniture pieces typically necessitate heavy machinery, expansive workspaces, and specialized equipment. In contrast, small projects can often be completed with a basic set of hand tools, such as saws, chisels, drills, and sanders. Many of these tools can be easily acquired or even borrowed, and they take up significantly less space than their industrial counterparts. Consequently, individuals are more likely to take on woodworking as a hobby when they feel that they can do so within their own means. Moreover, small projects can be tackled in shorter time frames, making them highly appealing in a fast-paced world where time is often a luxury. Completing a mini woodworking project can be incredibly satisfying, as it provides a sense of accomplishment without requiring an extended commitment. This gratifying experience encourages more people to engage in woodworking as a productive and creative outlet. It opens the door for experimentation and innovation, allowing woodworkers to push the boundaries of their creativity without the fear of getting lost in a lengthy project. The ability to create personalized and meaningful decor is another driving factor behind the rise of small woodworking projects. In an era where individuality and self-expression are highly valued, people are increasingly seeking ways to personalize their living spaces. Small furniture and decor pieces, such as custom shelves, coasters, or decorative items, offer an opportunity to infuse one's personality into the home environment. Handcrafted wooden objects can be enriched with personal touches, such as unique designs, wood stains, or finishes that resonate with the creator's style and preferences. The result is not only aesthetically appealing, but also deeply personal, as each piece carries the unique fingerprint of its maker. Furthermore, small woodworking projects lend themselves to creativity and diverse design possibilities. The relatively low investment of time and resources encourages experimentation with various designs, techniques, and wood types. This flexibility allows woodworkers to explore their creativity, embracing new patterns and crafting unique items that might not have worked in larger scales. The absence of perfectionism in smaller projects can create a liberating creative environment where artists feel empowered to take risks and try new ideas without worrying about the stakes that often accompany larger projects. Additionally, small woodworking projects can serve functional purposes in both personal and communal spaces. Items such as small benches, side tables, or decorative shelves can enhance organization and utility without overwhelming the design landscape of a room. These functional decor pieces often address specific needs within a space, providing not only aesthetic enjoyment, but also practical solutions. By focusing on mini projects, woodworkers can respond to the functional demands of their environments while also making aesthetically pleasing contributions to their homes. The community aspect of woodworking cannot be underestimated in its influence on the popularity of small projects. With the rise of social media platforms, woodworkers across the globe are sharing their creations, techniques, and experiences, fostering a vibrant community centered around woodworking. Many projects are often showcased prominently, garnering attention for their immediacy and relatability. New woodworkers can easily find inspiration through platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, where creators document their work in real time. Participating in this community can bring a sense of camaraderie and support, encouraging individuals to engage in their own woodworking endeavors. The educational aspect related to small woodworking projects also plays a vital role in their popularity. Many individuals are eager to acquire new skills and knowledge, and engaging in many projects allows them to do just that. Tutorials, workshops, and online resources dedicated to small-scale woodworking provide simple yet effective guidance for beginners. This educational aspect not only boosts confidence among aspiring woodworkers, but also enhances the quality of the work produced. By focusing on smaller projects, individuals can master fundamental skills such as measuring, cutting, joinery, and finishing techniques, which can later be applied to larger undertakings. Moreover, small woodworking projects allow for an exploration of sustainability practices, a growing concern in modern society. As individuals become increasingly aware of the impact of mass production on the environment, many opt for handmade items that reflect their values of sustainability and ethical consumption. Many woodworking projects typically utilize smaller cuts of wood, which can come from sustainably sourced materials, reclaimed wood, or even scrap wood left over from other projects. This diminutive scale minimizes waste and encourages a more conscious approach to the use of resources. As woodworkers engage with sustainable practices in their small projects, they contribute to ecological footprint. Engaging in small projects offers a practical avenue for expressing their environmental values while creating something lasting and useful. Additionally, the size of small woodworking projects lends itself well to experimenting with different types of finishes, adhesives, and hardware. As woodworkers navigate the unique characteristics of various woods, they learn not only which combinations produce the best visual effects, but also which materials enhance durability and functionality. This kind of hands-on experimentation fosters a deeper understanding of the materials involved, allowing woodworkers to make informed decisions in their future projects. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative wood furniture and decor ideas you didn't know your home needed. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.